Hello, welcome to Andover College. I'm Tim Richmond. I'm one of the lecturers here for automotive and motorsport, and I'm just going to show you a little guided tour of a workshop and the facilities that we've got here at Andover. So firstly, we've got our area that our automotive students will learn, our new level 1s and level 2 students. We have a variety of cars that you'll do your removing and replacing and learning all your fundamental skills about your motor vehicle course as you start with us. Also, alongside motor vehicle, we have our motorsport courses, and we have a really good selection of cars that you'll be working on. For example, we have our Formula Ford race car here that we use with our second year students to learn about chassis setup and corner weighting of the vehicle. So this is something you will be actively using when you come and study with us. To complement these, we've had a really nice donation from Southampton University of one of their old Formula student projects that we are preparing to use again for learning how to set up chassis design and chassis settings, and hopefully will become a future electrification project for our motorsport students as well. To complement the motorsport course, we also run a race team and a rally team. So we have in front of us here, we've got our Renault Clio 182, which is extremely successful, that we race with Classic Sports Car Club in Tin Tops. And as a student on the course, you'll have the opportunity to become and be the service crew when we go and compete. And we've also got our little Nissan Micra rally car, which again, very successful little car that we go and use and compete in our club events all around sort of the south of England. Again, you'll have the opportunity as a student here on the motorsport course to be part of the service crew when we go out and compete. So really little whistle-stop tour. We can't wait to see you in September to come and start your journey with us here at Andover College. Many thanks.